I replaced my hard drive with mayonnaise because, let's be honest, Silicon Valley doesn't want us knowing the true potential of an all-organic, dairy-based operating system. But guess what? The PC won't turn on, and I blame Biden's America. Back in the day, a real American PC would have booted up out of sheer determination, maybe even with a little freedom-enhanced overclocking. But no, now my computer folds like a lawn chair the moment it senses a little non-traditional engineering. I even tried to reboot it with my finest all-natural black leather boots. You know, the ones crafted by hand in a smoke-filled basement by a guy named Dale. But apparently this liberal skunk machine couldn't handle my American rage. Now it's blinking some red light at me, like it's trying to communicate in Morse code, probably sending my location straight to the FBI. First, they take our gas stoves. Now they take our God-given right to mayonnaise-powered computing.